Sometimes it's a real head scratcher whether you should capitalize the president. And sure, a title like Moby Dick is easy enough to format when you're writing a book report, but what happens when the title gets a bit longer? Suddenly formatting Go Tell It on the Mountain gets a bit harder. Well, you're not alone. These contestants are going to show us their capitalization skills. Are you ready?
Ready.
Surprise, surprise. The Starbucks barista spelled my name wrong on my grande white chocolate mocha. That's just me venting. The real question here is, do you capitalize white chocolate mocha?
No.
Yes.
Well, while you might prefer to only get your white chocolate mochas at Starbucks, these overly sweet delights are sold at coffee shops all across the country. Since white chocolate and mocha aren't Starbucks trademarks, you don't have to capitalize them. However, you would have to capitalize something that Starbucks officially trademarked, like a Frappuccino blended creme. If you've worked in the White House and I ask you to tell the president his approval ratings would go up if he got a puppy, would you capitalize president?
No.
Yes.
When referring to specific leaders by a title, be it president, the prime minister, the king of pop, you should capitalize it. The same rule would apply to the first pet. Now, if you're talking about a general office though, like a president, no capital letter is needed. Speaking of politics, everyone going to that 50s theme office party tomorrow is going to be dressed as a beatnik or a communist. But here's the real question. Do you capitalize communist?
Yes.
No then.
Yes and no. This is tricky. When writing about a political party, use title case, Democrats or the Republican Party. However, when you refer to someone's political belief or philosophy like liberal, conservative, or in this case, communist, no capitalization is required. Okay, enough about communist. And on to my friend Rochelle, because Rochelle just panned Everything is Illuminated on Goodreads with a 1-star review. Harsh. But again, the real question is, which words do you capitalize in the title, Everything is Illuminated?
Everything and illuminated.
Okay, so everything but is.
Everything and illuminated, but not.
Okay, so not capitalizing is. Is might be a short verb, but it's still a verb. It's capitalized in titles, even though it's short. All right, we've arrived at the bonus question, and it's a bonus question because it's about corgis, and that's a win for everyone. Okay, whenever I see a corgi on the street, I immediately yell, "Let me pet that corgi, stat." Should I capitalize corgi?
No.
Yeah, no again.
You should not.
No, okay. Well, if a breed name comes from a proper noun, like a Scottish Fold or a Yorkshire Terrier, it's capitalized. If a breed name is a general noun, like a Golden Retriever or Corgi, no title case is necessary. So you both got that right.